Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how I want you to use number lines in order to round numbers. Now I'm sure you can round these numbers that I have listed, but I want you to show it visually with a number line. Okay, so number 1 says round 324 to the nearest hundred. So what you do with these number line problems is whatever it tells you to round it to the nearest whatever, that's what you want the 2 long tick marks. Remember, it's 2 long tick marks separated by 9 little ones. And I drew a red line right down the middle at the 5th little tick mark in. Okay, so you want to round 324 to the nearest 100. So you want your 2 long tick marks to be 100 apart, whatever that number is there. So you got to think, what are the 2 100s that 324 is in between? Well, 324 is in between 300 and 400. And if that's the case, can we label these? These are 310, 320, 330. The red one is 350 all the way up to 390, right? So where's 324? Well, here's 320, here's 333, so it's about a 4/10 of the way over here. It's right here, approximately. So then you just look, is it to the left of the red line or is it to the right of the red line, the halfway mark? It's to the left of the red line. Therefore, this shows to left of midpoint. So the answer is 300. Right? Okay, what about the second one? The second one says round 58,621 to the nearest 1,000. So you want your 2 big tick marks to be 1,000 apart. So you think, what 2,000s is 58,621 in between? Well, I think you can tell it's between 58,000 and 59,000. And we can start labeling these. So let's see, the list has to be 58, 100, 58, 200, right? This is 58, 500, 58, 600, 58, 700, up to 58, 900. Okay, so I don't label every single one, but you get the gist. Okay, so where the heck is 58,621? Well, it's about 20% of the way over between 58,600 and 58,700, right? So it's somewhere about right here. So let's see, that is to right of the midpoint, right, of that line. So what does that mean? You round up, so that gives you 59,000. Okay? Okay, how about the last one? Round 1.636 to the nearest hundredth. So you have to figure out what 200ths 1.636 is in between. Remember, the hundredth is the second number over to the right of the decimal point. So I think you can tell it's between 1.63 and 1.64. So remember, these two numbers have to be whatever this is apart, 100th apart, which I think they are. So how do we label these? Remember, the trick I've used before is I just add a 0. It makes it easier. So it kind of looks like it's 630. So it's 1.631, 1.632. This is 1.635. This is 1.636. This is 1.637 all the way to 1.639. Okay, so we have to, what happens here? I think we see that it falls right on a tick mark in this case, right? To the nearest hundredth. It's right here. 1.636 is right there. It's to the right of the midpoint of that line, right? So what does that mean? It's 1.64. And that's why I want you to do it. So I asked you to use a number line to show how to round a number. That's basically what I want you to do. So I hope that helps.